Video 316, we turned off the force update mode that pushes up the entire texture every single frame, and you can see there's some weird ass shit going on. This is a pre-existing bug. Now the reason I turned that flag off was because this shader was crashing my GPU. I guess the combination of this shader that's already very expensive with the very expensive flag right here in the configuration section, this right here. So in the configuration section, this flag here for the force update mode, when it is on, combined with that expensive shader, this shader right here, it just crashes the GPU. So I just wanted a sanity check because I was wondering, hey, I haven't changed this shader in quite a while. Why is it all of a sudden crashing the GPU? That is why. So we might turn this off later, but eventually we do need to fix that bug, but one thing at a time. In the ArtGirl fragment shader options, the optimizations, we have turned this optimization off. And we've turned it off because now we have the lookup table we need. So right here we have this lookup table. And in the preprocessor, right here, we've added it to our lookup table of lookup tables. We've added it to our lookup table of names to use on the GPU side. And then the injection site table, right? So this is the token we're going to look for in order to find and replace with the GLSL version of this code here, and increasing the max index here. So we just made those 4 changes to the preprocessor, and now the code works. And here's what I did previously, and here's my notes about the force update mode doing weird stuff, and then here's what we did in this video. So just a quick little change. And if you want a longer explanation, you can go here. You've been here. You can get the source code here. You've been on video number 316. Like, subscribe, send money.